I have never ever baked in my entire life, and this is going to be my first time ever. So if it did not turn out good, then don't judge me. I just have to mix it and then put it in the oven or a microwave with topping to decorate. And I also have some stars, and those are not for cake, but those are actually for ice cream, but I'm gonna use that for cake. I'm gonna try only like a size of a cupcake because I don't want to risk it and I don't want to waste it. A very small amount of water, and I will be adding this. Then I'll be using this ghee. For the oil, I'll be using this, okay? And then let's mix, and I'll add only 1 egg. Yeah, look at the sunset. So pretty. It's pink in color.
स्टील में डालो इसको.
पता नहीं वहाँ से ड्रिप ना. ड्रिप there. I think it's supposed to be a frying pan. Baking pan. Then we just see. It's too watery, so we're adding more powder. And let's see if it works. This is the best I could do. And I'm gonna keep it here. Then I'm gonna keep it in the microwave. It says 4 to 5 minutes, so I'm keeping it for 5 minutes. I hope it comes out well. Fingers crossed. Last time somebody ordered for me ice cream, like cute ice creams where I can decorate it with these toppings and eat. But while we wait for the cake to be fully baked, I will clean this, wash this. Oops, it's hot. So take this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. It looks more like pancake. It's more like pancake, and I don't know if it's fully done. No. Let's try 5 more minutes again because I don't think this is how we eat. It looks more like pancake. It actually looks like cake, but I think it looks more like pancake. Let's go. 5 more minutes. I can smell something burning, and that's obviously my cake. It's burned. I think it's supposed to be soft. So when I opened and it was soft, I thought it was not. Now it's burnt. I think I can still eat. See. Look at this. I should have eaten when it was soft and nice. You know what? I'm making rice also. As for this whipped topping, I did not read the instructions before I start making this. I should have read the instruction because it's supposed to be kept in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, then take it out and again put it back for 15 minutes. Then it'll be ready to eat. But since I did not do that, I don't care. It's okay. Now let's use this cake and decorate my cake. Transfer it here. Guys, I made it. The cake is ready. Woo! It's burning. Let's go and surprise Moon. Moment! Moment! Sila advance birthday. What is it? fan off kura Julie. Fan off kuri. To you. Bango na pre. Bango na pre. Kira. Cookies ni shinaze. Birthday cake. That's it. Did you like your cake?
Yeah, I love it.
Chalo, you should try. कैसा है?
My birthday cake. My birthday jala hai.
हाँ जला है. But it design है.
Taste is good.
Design है ये.
Taste अच्छा है.
जलाने का design था ये.
इसको कहते हैं बड़ा साइज बिस्किट.
It turned into dry cake. It tastes good, but it's burned. Ah. I enjoyed making it. Yes. Bye. I did not just burn the cake. I did not just burn the cake. I burned my rice also. Never do two things at once.